Hello everyone, I am Ritika Susgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of Computer Network Technology, today we started our Unit 5. So this Unit 5 is based on ad hoc wireless network. Okay. So in the
So next is types of ad hoc wireless network. Types of ad hoc wireless network. So in the types of wireless ad hoc network, there are different application needs and use. Okay, so which type of ad hoc wireless network we choose? Okay, so choosing a wireless ad hoc network is a type depending on the wireless equipment capability in the physical environment and the purpose of the communication, in which type of communication is done. So based on this type of communication we can choose our ad hoc wireless network. So what are the types are present? The first is a MANET, that is MANET, mobile ad hoc network. So a mobile ad hoc network involves the mobile device communicating directly with one another. Okay, हम directly मोबाइल कनेक्ट करके communication कर सकते हैं. So this is a mobile ad hoc network. So MANET is a network of wireless mobile device without an infrastructure that are self-organizing, self-configuring. Okay, and MANET is a sometimes referred to as a on-the-fly or a spontaneous network. Okay. Next is a IMANET. Okay, so internet based mobile ad hoc network. So it support the internet protocols such as TCP, IP protocol, that is transmission control protocol, internet protocol, and also the user datagram protocol, UDP protocol. So the IMANET employs a network layer routing protocol on each connected devices to the link mobile nodes and set up the distributed routes automatically. Okay, एक इंटरनेट क्या करेगा, हर एक मोबाइल को कनेक्ट करेगा, हर एक डिवाइस को लिंक करेगा. So this is a IMANET, internet based mobile ad hoc network. So this IMANET is also be used in the collection of sensor data for data mining purpose and for a varieties of use cases such as air pollution monitoring. Okay, IMANET is used for the air pollution monitoring or in the data mining. The third type is a SPAN, that is smartphone ad hoc network. So these employ the existing hardware such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So this is a smartphone ad hoc network. Okay, so Wi-Fi भी हम use करते हैं, Bluetooth भी हम use कर सकते हैं. So this is a smartphone ad hoc network, and the software protocol built into the smartphone operating system, that OS, to create a peer-to-peer network without relying on the cellular carrier network, wireless access point, or other traditional network infrastructure equipment. So these smartphone ad hoc networks support the multi-hop relays. Multi-hop relay is the process of sending traffic from device A to the device C using the intermediary device B. Okay. So this smartphone ad hoc network is a multi-hop relays. Multi-hop means what? अगर हमारे पास डिवाइस A है, हमें A डिवाइस से C डिवाइस तक के ट्रांसमिशन करना है. ओके, सेंडिंग सम डेटा. सो वहाँ पे एक इंटरमीडिएट डिवाइस होगा B. Okay, so this is a multi-hop relay. So this device A and C do not need to have a direct peer-to-peer connection. So here in the direct peer-to-peer connection established for the traffic to reach its destination, that is device C, using the device B. So because of this smartphone ad hoc network are fully dynamic in nature. So there is a no notion of group leader in this type of application. So this is a peers to join or leave without harming the network. Then the fourth type is a vehicular ad hoc network. So this network type involves devices in the vehicles that are used for communicating between them and roadside equipment. So the example is the in-vehicle safety and the security system. Okay, so this is a vehicular ad hoc network. And the next is a wireless mesh network. Okay, so this is a mesh network. So comprised of radio network setup in the mesh topology frequently consists of mesh client, mesh routers and gateways. So in the mesh networking, the devices or we can call it as nodes are connected to at least some if not all have many paths to other nodes. So this create many routes for information between the pairs of users and also increasing the resilience of the network. So if the nodes or connection fails. So wireless mesh network are useful in the situations where the temporary wireless network is required or is in more permanent scenarios where the network cabling cannot be run to create an infrastructure based wireless network. Okay, so this is a wireless mesh network. So here we discuss the type is a MANET, iMANET, SPAN, vehicle ad hoc network and wireless mesh network. So also other types are present in the ad hoc wireless network including the wireless sensor network. So these ad hoc smart home lighting and some ad hoc street light networks and also the ad hoc networks of robots. So disaster rescue and the ad hoc networks and hospital ad hoc network. Okay. So the wireless ad hoc networks also have the number of military application such as uh, Army Tactical MANET, that is mobile ad hoc network in the Army Tacticals, and also the Air Force, that is Air Force UAV. UAV means what? Unmanned aerial vehicles. Okay, in the Air Force. So these ad hoc networks in Navy ad hoc network also. Okay. So अदर टाइप्स कौन से हो सकते हैं? आर्मी टैक्टिकल के अंदर यूज कर सकते हैं, एयरफोर्स के अंदर यूज कर सकते हैं और नेवी के अंदर भी एड ऑफ वायरलेस नेटवर्क को हम यूज कर सकते हैं. So these wireless ad hoc networks used in the army tactical, navies or in the air force. Thank you.